Hey, what's good? Here's your boy Jay, and welcome to a special episode of New Brother Jay Adventures. It's because it's our first Muay Thai fight experience. Siyempre, isa sa mga bucket list namin yan ay makanood ng Muay Thai fight in Thailand, where it originated. Siyempre, kilala ang Muay Thai sa exciting, boxing, kicking, siko, lahat na sa intense action. So, ayan, excited na kami. Dumadami na yung tao. So, tara, share lang namin yung experience namin. Let's go!
We're here at Pathom Muay Thai Gym in Phuket, Thailand. So, first time namin manood ng real fight. Well, Muay Thai in Thailand. So, let's go. Let's check it.
So, sobrang excited na kami na makanood kasi yung first time namin sa Bangkok, hindi kami nagkaroon ng chance. So, eto na. Mangyayari na siya.
Dude. Adrian, right? Adrian, good luck to your fight, brother. All right.
Nakakatawa pa kasi yung mga fighters, makikita mo lang nasa labas sila. Kasi syempre hindi naman siya kasing laki ng UFC. By the way, yung ticket niya is 1.5 to 2K, depende kung saan ka nakupo. Pero may nakuha kaming deal, nakuha lang namin siya sa 1.3 baht. Siguro nasa 2,000 pesos siya. May kasama na isang shirt, souvenir. So, ayan.
You have white? 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 You have white? Oh, okay. So this is a free shirt. See you later. Yeah, we can buy the shorts there.
So ayan, obviously hindi siya ganun kasing laki, no? Pero kasi parang local town kickboxing fight lang siya. Marami mga stadium ng kickboxing or Muay Thai dito sa Phuket. Pero ito yung nakuha naming deal. Yun nga, hindi siya AC. Pero well ventilated naman, okay naman siya, electric fan lang, industrial fan. Pero anyways, excited lang kami makanood talaga kasi matagal na namin naka-bucket list to. So finally, na-experience namin siya. So yan, excited. And habang di pa nag-start yung fight, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami ni wifey, tingin-tingin lang ng mga kickboxing Muay Thai items. So, ayan siya. So,
Mura dito, bro.
Do you want to know
Do you accept card?
what it is?
No, cash only. Okay.
The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work.
and syempre, para solid experience, dapat may beer, di ba? Cheers! So yan isa sa mga undercards ng fight. Medyo babata pa nito pero nakikipagpasyagan na ng mukha. Wala lang, nakakatuwa. Meron din silang women Muay Thai. So grabe, mga parang grade 5, grade 6 nakikipagsipaan na and nakikipagsuntukan. Talagang very passionate ang mga Thai sa sport. So, talagang dito sila nakilala. ito na yata yung sa mga co-main event. Si Adrian yung nakita natin kanina.
The Matrix is all. It is all around us. Even now in this very you can see
Good fight.
So ayan, nagkaroon pa kami ng chance na makapagpa-picture. So ayan, super saya and super memorable ng aming experience. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. This is New Bad J Adventures. Till the next episode, I'm out, y'all.